Hello, in this tutorial I will be going over what to do if you encounter the AMD software Adrenalin Edition warning. So first what you can do is open up Google Chrome. From here you can type in the AMD website, and then you can go on drivers and support, and you can select your graphics card, whichever one you have. I have the 5500 one, and click on submit, and also choose whatever Windows edition you have. I have 11, so I'm just going to download this. Wait for it to download, and then just open it up whenever it gets downloaded. And now it's finished. Click on yes. Okay, install. Wait for it to finish, shouldn't take too long. You can wait for this to finish as well. Okay, so now you're gonna click on install. You're here now. You should just click on restart now. I mean, if I click on it, the recording will end, so you guys are gonna have to go through it like by yourself. So just click on restart now. The process is really simple. It shouldn't really be anything crazy. You're just gonna be downloading a little bit, like one or two more things. Shouldn't take too long, and that should be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.